nerds trying to rescue their comic book collection, even cops who are looking for evidence or weapons that were used to commit crimes. So I'm sure you'll understand that I just can't give out that information.
Okay, I'll find a way.
So, dice or
I'm
no
getting
dice?
bad vibes
It's
off
always
this guy.
dice.
I
Who
think
do
I
you
should
think
just
you're
leave him
talking
alone.
Are you sure that will solve the problem?
I guarantee you will be 100% satisfied with the results.
Oh, it's as
Small
soft
hole
as you
in the
said.
side of the
Like
clock.
a baby's bottom.
Stealing the clock is not an option.
So, dice or no dice?
It's always dice. Who do you think you're talking to?
That box looks kind of familiar. Where's the sense in that? It's one of the pipes from the building's waste system. I can't do that. Hey, what's up, Father? Man, I really can't believe you're still alive. How did you manage to escape after the Russians set you up during that pool tournament? Come on, Father, you shouldn't be ashamed of your amazing achievements. Do you remember when you beat that 8-ball guy? You were handcuffed and yet you still won. You totally wiped the floor with that cocky bastard. We've been through a lot together, huh? Hey, remember that game we played against Lincoln's Ghost? Or that time we went to Japan and we beat those Yakuzas on their own table? Are you gonna say anything? Not a single thing, huh? Pool tables are not what they used to be, huh? The quality of the bays is just terrible. Oh, and the wood? Don't get me started on the wood. What is it, cheap maple wood? Pathetic. You don't have to say anything if you don't wanna. Yeah. Someday I'll find out what color your eyes are, Father. Blue? They're blue, right? If they're blue, just wink. Wait, no, that makes no sense. Okay, so you don't want to talk about your eyes, I get it. But I know they're blue. Does your silence have any kind of logical basis, or are you just ignoring me? Wait a second, I know what's going on here. Now I remember it. It happened in San Francisco at that state tournament. 8-Ball's stepson was there and wanted his revenge, so he challenged you. Then you beat him with only 3 shots using a mop instead of a cue. That was so cool. Anyway, what I wanted to say is that you celebrated that victory with a daiquirized Royal Mai Tai iced tea, and if I remember, it left you speechless. That's it, right? But until today. Really? I see. Would you like one? You know, a daiquirized Royal Mai Tai iced tea. That's a yes, right? Ha! You old rascal. Okay then, I'll get you one as soon as I can. You stay right here. Hey, how's business, Elaine?
It's okay. Nothing much to do right now.
Yeah, I'd say nothing.
Well, maybe if you hadn't brought that nicotine-addicted chimp yesterday, I'd have some customers. It spent all night throwing feces all over the place, and a lot of my regulars swore they'd never come back.
A chimp addicted to nicotine? Well, whatever. People stop coming here because of some stupid reason like that. It just means they're not real loyal customers like me. Keep that in mind.
Yes, okay.
Hey, there's something different about you. Do you have more teeth than usual?
Oh, you noticed. Well, yes. I feel great this morning. I feel really good about myself. I mean, I don't know why, but I feel pretty. I feel like I can take over the world.
Well, that's a bit over the top.
Oh.
Can I have a Daiquirized Royal Mai Tai iced tea, please?
Randall, didn't we agree that I wouldn't be selling you or Matt any more alcohol on weekdays?
Seriously? And we actually agreed to that?
You didn't, but I don't care. I told you, I'm done cleaning up after you guys, and I think the only way to do that is to cut you off. At least during the week.
Ugh, how can you be so selfish, Elaine? It's not for me, it's for Father Roy. Old geezer's throat is a little dry after all that talking.
You're so funny, Randall.
Yeah, I get that a lot. My boss, my landlord, the cops, everybody loves me.
Here's your cocktail. And tell Father Roy to stop jabbering away like that.
Yeah, that's funny, huh? Okay, Father, here's a genuine Daiquirized Royal Mai Tai iced tea. Don't get it stuck in your mustache. Hey, what was that for? I'm not buying you any more drinks. Hey, hold on. I know what the problem is, you old scoundrel. Wasn't strong enough, huh? I should have known. Father Roy only likes the strong stuff. Okay, I'll see what I can do, but I can't promise anything. That's Father Roy's now. I'm not gonna take it. Don't you have any alcohol-free drinks?
Oh, sure. I just got a shipment of the highest quality alcohol-free fruit liqueurs.
Fruit liqueurs?
Want to try some? They're delicious.
Sober Randal agrees reluctantly. And consider yourself lucky. If drunk evil Randal was here, he would have spit that liqueur in your face.
Oh, Randall, you and your ways. Do you want to try them or not?
Okay, let's see what a non-alcoholic beverage tastes like. Okay, let's try that papaya liqueur. Feels weird drinking something that doesn't burn your throat. Mango liqueur, I'm curious. I thought it'd be sweeter. What about that lime one? Kind of like drinking lime juice. Guava? I don't even know what that is. I don't know what it tastes like either. Gotta be good with a name like that. But it's not. Passion fruit liqueur? That's a thing? It is, and it sucks. I hate kiwis. What the hell. Okay, now I hate kiwi liqueur too. Macadamia nut liqueur. Why not? I don't know what this is, but it's delicious. Elaine, guarana liqueur. Quick, quick! Ew. Great choice, Randal. Ugh. Lychee liqueur, huh? Okay, bring it on. Tasty and exotic. A bit like June. I can't believe what I'm about to say. I'd like to try that sugar apple liqueur. Hey, it's not that bad. The name is a little misleading. Elaine, let me try that coconut liqueur.
Well, I think all of them are delicious. By the way, that'll be $380.
What? Are you kidding me?
Oh, great. Now I have to redo my makeup.
You use makeup?
Why would you say something like that?
Why would you charge me almost $400 all of a sudden?
Well, I never said they were free. I just asked if you wanted to try them.
Really?
Look, Randal, you know I care about you a lot, but I can't just let you walk out the door without paying. Those bottles are really expensive. I can't lose any more money because of you.
You're just lucky I'm feeling kind of guilty for spitting in your face. And you're also lucky that I now have more money than Richie Rich. Here.
Thanks. Now, if you'll excuse me, I have to redo my face.
You know, you might want to invest in some permanent markers, because you're not so bad looking when your face isn't messing it up.
Randal, sometimes you can be so cruel.
Not just sometimes, almost always. Looks like one of those pocket-sized makeup kits. I can't reach it. Besides, Elaine is right there. I need to hit the restroom first. That's right. I didn't wash my hands, so what? Ah, they fooled me too. They said I'd get some cake after the tests. I think I'll just leave it open. I'm not really interested in what might be in there. I don't feel like it right now. Wow, aiming is not my thing. Elaine's definitely not gonna like this. That's Elaine's job. A condom machine. But the question is, does anybody from this dive ever use it? It takes coins. I don't think that's gonna work.